Hey YouTube, today we have a video about the T-GDI engine of this car. So T-GDI engine means that once the car is a bit warmed up like this, just press it on. Then you drive it a bit like normal, with normal speeds. Let's switch back to eco mode. The engine is a bit warmed up. So T-GDI engine means that it has direct fuel injections in the cylinders, and that can lead to carbon buildup during time. Now this car is, it's relatively new, just 2,000 kilometers on the odometer, so this is probably not going to be. Also, if you saw, the suspension of this car is very firm. So as I was saying, probably is not going to be form up of carbon in the cylinders that early, around 100,000 kilometers maybe. But having said that, we need to be very careful. What you can do is mainly to use good fuel. Fuel additives may not be a solution in this case because, as I said, it does not do port spraying, that only does spraying the cylinders. So in order to mitigate that, the only thing we can do is use good fuel, do regular oil changes, and when this car reaches 100,000 kilometers, a good solution would be there's a vacuum hose leading to the engine. There's a special kind of foam that you put in. There's a whole procedure about that helps reduce the carbon in the cylinders. And other than that, because this car is, so to speak, fast, it's good that we'll just put the N mode here, just 4th gear, and somewhere in Mexico we can just thrash it a little bit so that the car has the cylinders cleaned up, so to speak. Anyway, I have a bit of traffic here, so I don't want to press it more. But in general, once you go into highway speeds and stuff like that, it's good to rev the engine a little bit, so for the longevity of the engine, considering the carbon buildup. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.